Book flat. You're going to take your paper and it covers it just like so. So you're going to fold your paper in half and insert it in your book flat in the hinges like so. Then we're going to take tape and we're going to fold this over. And then do it on the other side. Like so. And then the paper is acting as the canvas. And now we have our book flats. Isn't that cool? And so this is what we're going to decorate. And now create your backdrop. Peace out. So this paper is just a regular 8x11 printer paper, and you for sure can decorate and draw your illustration on the paper first before you assemble it on your book flat. And it does have a crease to show where the center is, but you could stretch out your book flat more and it'll stay, and it kind of eliminates that. But we do want it to be able to fold, and it can fold successfully. So this is a great model. Real quickly, I'm just gonna sketch like a sky scene and maybe do some clouds and show y'all what's up. Hey guys, so I just took these 3 different color highlighters and made an abstract design. I think in class tomorrow, I'm going to print out some letters and probably put like quotes, my favorite quote on here for my book flats. Folds, you open it, and ta-da! Can't wait to see yours tomorrow.